Talk a little weather now and bring in meteorologist Erin Moran here. Kind of a warm day today.
Yeah, and just a preview of what's to come, because we've got a lot of temperatures getting into the 90s, especially as we head into the weekend and next week. So 85 with a dew point of 56 doesn't seem quite as bad now. It's beautiful out. It's sunny. It's going to remain sunny as we head through the next few hours. Just a beautiful evening. 80 degrees by 8 o'clock, 77 by 9 o'clock, and then heading into tomorrow, we up to 90 degrees, our forecast high. Sunny skies, south-southeast winds, so we'll notice an increase in humidity in the afternoon. We'll notice a little bit more cloud cover in the afternoon, but Thursday, our next day to watch, weather alert issued, 90% chance for rain and storms. So pretty much everyone is going to see rain at some point between Thursday night and early Friday morning. But a lot of rain for parts of North Texas. Now, just kind of focusing in on tomorrow, we'll start at about 65, upper 70s by 10 o'clock, mid 80s by lunchtime. So what we feel like right now is where we'll be at as we get a little bit closer to that noon hour, and then temperatures topping out in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. A few spots maybe out to the west, getting into the lower 90s, kind of in that 4 to 5 p.m. time frame. But you do notice that cloud cover increasing. We go from mostly sunny skies in the morning, partly cloudy, to partly sunny as we head a little bit closer to 5. Tomorrow night, rain chances at about 20%, so very minimal rain chances. But Thursday, that's the 90% chance for rain and storms, our weather alert. Thursday night, we'll start to see things winding down into Thursday night, but still scattered showers and storms are in the forecast, and then a few lingering showers early Friday morning. I think we see the sun heading into Friday afternoon. So here's midnight on Thursday, and you do notice just an isolated shower. So we've got that 20% chance in, but it's not until we get past 7 o'clock in the morning that we start to see our first wave of rain and storms moving in. Now, this impacts parts of the metroplex. You see Denton County, Collin County seeing some stronger storms heading closer to 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. But we've got several rounds of heavy rain, and this is going to be fine-tuned in the next 24 to 36 hours. Of course, a lot really dependent just on the atmosphere as we head into Thursday. But here's heavy rain, strong storms right over 35 as we head through the 2 o'clock hour, pushing east very quickly. This would be likely some strong winds moving through our southeastern counties along with that heavy rain. And of course, as we head into the evening hours, it becomes a little bit more scattered, but still watching for some heavy rain kind of along and south of I-20, even through 10, 11 o'clock in the evening on Thursday, before finally starting to see things calming down heading into Friday morning. So the Storm Prediction Center does have most of the area highlighted under a level 2 slight risk. Flooding, large hail, damaging winds. But another thing that we keep an eye on, the excessive rainfall risk. And you can see that to the south and east, where some spots have picked up just an insane amount of rain over really the last 3 to 4 weeks, a moderate risk for that flooding concern, and then really everywhere else under that slight risk. So it is something that we're watching closely. It's why we have the weather alert for your Thursday. It'll be cooler, back up to the 80s on Friday, and then jumping up to 94 by Monday of next week, guys.
Summer's almost here. Erin, thanks.